Alright, what's up dudes? Didn't vlog anything yesterday, wasn't feeling so great, and I had a lot of Fractals work to do. On Sundays I usually package all my stuff. I'm actually finishing it today because I didn't feel 100%. I apologise, I didn't know the daily vlog yesterday. It was also raining, so my main idea kind of got scrapped. But anyway, new day, sun is out. What time is it now? It's 2:47. I have to take all these orders to the post office. We'll discuss some things. I've got some ideas now. I'm planning this week to go to Denbigh Mental Asylum. I've been there before. It's a fascinating place. It's a really old asylum in North Wales. I want to go pick up Charlie and my friend Melvin and we're going to go explore it. It's a lot of driving for me, but I'm happy to do it. It's going to be so much fun. I don't know what we're going to do today after this, but we'll see. We'll come up with something. Yeah, my friend Melvin told me to just film what I do. Like I just watch YouTube and package crystal orders. It's great fun. This guy is called Drew Binsky. He's an American YouTuber who's traveling the world, visiting every single country. He's almost done the whole world. It's fascinating. He's only young and he's like doing all of this. He's currently in Afghanistan, so yeah, if you're interested in travel content right now, go follow this guy. He's doing it. Got 2 more orders and then we're done. All right, time to go to the post office. He does so good at this now. Look at him go, yeah. Another wet day, some wet slate. Looks like it's just been raining. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. So I decided before I go to the post office I gotta walk Jasper. There's only about an hour of daylight left, so if I don't do it now it's gonna be dark by the time I'm back and it wouldn't have been walked. Come on, just. So squishy. Chippy! Chippy! Ah, so squishy. So at the moment, this is my favorite little footpath to go on. It's not far from where I live. It gives me a good idea of how much rainfall there is on the mountains because, well, usually the river's a lot higher, meaning there's not much rainfall lately. I'm so sweaty, I'm wearing way too many clothes. Okay, there's a dead sheep right here. Try not to slip in the carcass. So I say this every video pretty much, but I make sure that I get an hour a day outside. It doesn't matter if it's in nature, but I try to get into nature. I just make sure that I get outside for an hour a day. We get 24 hours in a day, but a lot of us are too busy to spend an hour of it outside, and it seems ridiculous. But I was one of those people, so now I make the effort, and it's kind of the only thing that really keeps me stable. You guys might think I'm not stable, but I'm doing a lot better than I was. So, an hour a day, I recommend it. that cold. I'm surprised. Considering the snow on the mountains, it's not that cold. It's very loud down here though. Hopefully you can hear me. One of my favourite spots. It's quite a secret because the path is kind of hidden. A little update on how I'm feeling better. Past couple of days have been reminded that life is extremely short. We're just a blip in the ultimate timeline of the universe. Nothing should be taken too seriously. Nothing. Nothing. Maybe your health. Your health should be the most serious thing, but anything else, don't worry about it. All my problems are not really problems, they're just things that I made up in my mind. Trying really hard lately to look after the friends that I have, because I know what it's like to have no friends, and it sucks. It sucks so bad to be alone in this place. Like, this planet is so huge, and there's billions of us, yet people out there don't have any friends. Like, what a crazy concept. And we're all connected via the internet, yet some people are just alone in their day-to-day lives. And it's horrible. It's horrible to think about. And I was one of those people. Most of the time I am alone, but usually by choice. My camera is getting so wet, so I really hope I don't break it. I need some sort of like umbrella for this thing. I don't know, if you follow this channel and you don't have any friends, maybe leave a comment, say something like your name, where you're from, and maybe people in your area can leave a comment. So like, say if you're from Wales, say, yeah, I'm from Wales. Maybe other people watching the channel could be like, yeah, I'm also from Wales. And maybe we can make some friendships in the comments. Who knows? It's worth a try. Give it a go. Yeah, anyway, I want to go see some friends this week because I need to, you know, I need to see them. Maybe they don't need to see me, but I need to see them, so I'm making the effort. So another thing I've been thinking about lately is the fact that none of us optimize our time 100%. None of us are doing things constantly. Obviously not overworking. There's a lot of us waste our time, and our time is so short that we shouldn't waste it. And then that looming pressure of having to try and fill your time all the time, that's stressful. That's what gets me, is that I know that I'm capable of doing more with my time and more with my days and using my energy more efficiently, but then I waste it and I feel awful. And I think we're trying to find a healthy balance between doing things all the time, but also knowing when to not do things and not worry about not doing things. Does that make sense? Does anyone else feel like that? That the looming pressure to do things all the time, knowing that our time is finite and that we all will inevitably disappear and go back to whichever source we came from? Here's a question for you guys. Do you think that we go somewhere when we die? Or do you think we come back here as something else? Reincarnation. Do you believe in that? Or do you believe that we go to where we started? Personally, I think we go somewhere else. I think maybe not where we started, but we go somewhere else. We don't come back here, I think. I think while we're on Earth, we get one shot. One shot. So if you don't make the most of it, or if you're a horrible person, then it's probably time to change the way you think and be next time. Alright, I made it to the post office. I'm a bit late, but hey, I made it. Made it home, just eating some food. What's What's good? What's good? So I did a little shop for some food. Got myself a blue smoothie. It is now 8:39 p.m. It's around like 5-6 o'clock that I actually gain full momentum in my day. I'm very slow in the mornings. I always have been. I've never been a fast morning riser. I can't just like get going immediately. Some people are just machines and I don't know how they do it. But yeah, I get most of my energy around 5-6 p.m. if I wake up late. I've got 13 orders here that came in over the past 2 days, so I've got to do those now. That's my job for tonight. I was gonna go see Charlie tonight, but she hasn't responded to my texts, so I guess I'll go see her on Wednesday. Yeah, we'll do the asylum. I'm very excited to take you guys along with. I'll make sure it's shot really well because it's such a beautiful building. But yeah, I don't want to get too much into it. My next job for the day is to put a fan in this computer. So I guess we could do that now. Alright, you guys remember I was complaining about this laptop not working very well in the first rant video? Well, this is the fan that needs replacing. I've done this already once, and I had the wrong fan size, so hopefully this is the correct one and I can actually fix it. Yeah, I believe it's very important to fix your own stuff. I always fix my own phone, and now I'm fixing my MacBook, so it's good to know how these things are done so that I don't have to spend a lot of money fixing stuff. This is not a tutorial by any means, I'm just showing you guys what I get up to, you know. It's just a daily vlog. It's just me, you know, this is what I do. This is what I do, innit, bruv? Innit, I fix my computer, bruv. I fix it myself, bruv. Alright, here's the satisfying part. There we go. Woo! Yeah, inside the motherboard. This is what it looks like inside. So this is my broken trackpad. For some reason it's got all these little holes in it. I'm not too worried about that though. I don't have like a compressed air duster, which I probably should get. Clean out little bits of fluff. I did a good clean of this last time I was in here. So the fan that needs replacing is this one here, my left one. Obviously when it's this way around it will be left. The battery, there's a bit of sign of corrosion here, but it's nothing too serious yet, so I'm not going to replace that. It's a bit of a mish to do. Just found one of Steffi's enzymes for cystic fibrosis medication. I'm just gonna throw that away. Alright, I don't know where the battery is on this, so you're supposed to disconnect the battery in case you fry it, but I don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna do what I did last time, just peel this off. There we go. I don't know if that's the battery connector, but I'm just gonna guess it is. Gotta tie my hair back in it because my hair gets in the way. I'm trying to remember how to do this. There's the old one, full of dust. Hopefully these are the same. Yes, it fits, finally. It's not fitting. Yeah. Woo. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if that actually worked. I did it! I fixed it! It sounds good. Woo! Woo! So now I should be able to export and compress things faster, meaning you guys get videos earlier now. Now the only thing I need to fix is my internet speeds, but I can't do that here, I have to move house. Yes! See, fixing things could be fun! That took like 10 minutes. If you would like to keep me busy, then maybe check out my shop, vthirdeye.com. I'm gonna have some new products on there this week. I've got a bunch of ideas of things we can buy and turn into necklaces and I think when I get to Spain, I'm probably going to buy a diamond drill so that I can drill things myself. People are suggesting that I do wire wrapping also. I like the idea, I've just never tried it. Wire wrapping industry is quite saturated. But then necklaces in general are quite saturated. It's not like a unique idea. Of course, I can try things. I'm always down to try things, so, well, thanks for joining me today. Sorry there was no vlog yesterday. Thank you for being patient with me while I work on my mental health. Make sure I'm staying healthy. Might do mushrooms tomorrow. I've got a feeling that I need to. So, tomorrow might be a mushroom trip. We'll see. Thank you for joining me. Watch yesterday. There wasn't one yesterday. Watch my last 2 vlogs. They'll be on the screen right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye-bye.